The Bose Portable Home Speaker is a wireless home speaker, a portable Bluetooth speaker, and a voice-controlled smart speaker all in one. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your speaker. Let's begin by carefully opening the box and confirm the following parts are included. The first thing you'll see is your Bose Portable Home Speaker. Underneath this divider is a quick start guide and important safety information. Lift up this carton to find a USB-C cable, and lastly, a power supply. Now let's set up your speaker. Begin by connecting one end of the USB-C cable into the power port on your speaker. Connect the other end into the power supply and then plug it into a power outlet. Please note, you can also charge your speaker with the optional Bose Portable Home Speaker charging cradle accessory. The power light will pulse white to indicate it's charging. Once the power light glows solid white, your speaker is fully charged and can provide up to 12 hours of audio playback. For the most functionality, we recommend downloading the Bose Music app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Sign in with or create a new Bose ID. From the My Bose screen, tap the plus button. Your device will begin searching for your portable home speaker. Once you see your speaker, tap Add Product. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your speaker to Wi-Fi. Name your speaker. Set up sharing settings, and add any compatible voice assistants in your region. Your Bose Portable Home Speaker is now set up. For additional support, visit our website.